Hello, fellow traders. Update on Boyle. Sold my position, but again, we'll see today movement. It's a direction change. Um, let's we'll see how it's going. Or we failed to take the 24.72 up, so I'm thinking it's gonna go down a bit. In the meanwhile, I noticed some interesting things about GameStop. We took a reversal 28. That means we have a move up until the 13. I believe so. I mean, stochastic is not indicating that, but I play around a little bit and see maybe it's another small spike. But the stock I wanted to talk about was Uranium, and we are having a direction change weekly this week. Probably we need to close in the let's see here, 689, so we see a bounce, but nonetheless this could be a good trade because it's trading now in the $5 range and has a good up until the 780. Quarterly bull, it's at 710, so I believe it's gonna be a good trade. Not today, maybe today, but I see direction change on the 13th, so just pay attention to reversals and arrays and the whys I'm posting for my insiders guys, and see you there. Bye.